Hello, and let's unpack this simple, realistic, scalable plan that I have here in front of us. The core idea, you create comparison sites in a high volume niche. Use them to drive large traffic volume and monetization through affiliate commissions, lead sales, and or partnerships. Comparison sites work because people searching for comparisons are already ready to buy. You just need to capture them first. High value niches that you can get into where 10K is possible. The trick is to focus on industries with big ticket sales or reoccurring commission. Example, financial products, credit cards, loans, insurance, and mortgages. Commission can range from $50 to $500 per sign up. Okay, now second one is B2B software. CRMs, SaaS tools, cloud hosting, recurring monthly payout, sometimes $100+ per client. Travel and luxury is number three. High-end vacation packages, private jet, luxury hotels, commissioned often 5 to 10% of the multi-thousand-dollar bookings. Health and medical services, weight loss programs, private surgery, rehab facilities. High one-time referral payouts, $500 to $5,000 per client. Now that's a lot of money. It's all out there to work with. Solar panels, EV leasing, electric vehicle leasing, uh, heat pumps, commissions is $300 to $1,000 per sale, and that's all green energy. Solar panels, that's green energy. EV leasing, green energy. Heat pump, green energy. How the money adds up. Average payout $200 per conversion. 50 you need 50 conversions a day to make 10,000 K a day. If your site converts 2% of visitors, you need 2,500 daily visitors doable with SEO and paid ads. The blueprint to build it, you pick a lucrative niche, one with high commission, multiple affiliate programs to compare existing search volumes for best X and X versus Y. Create the comparison site. Use WordPress or Elementor or Webflow for speed and dynamic comparison tables. Plug in with AAWP or TablePress. Include filters side-by-side product that product side-by-side product service specs and ratings. Lead Add lead capture form to sell leads directly if affiliate offers don't cover all options. Monetization channels, affiliate links, CJ, Impact, Share a Sale, and private program. Lead sales to companies in your niche. Sponsored listings, companies pay for top placement. Targeting ads, pixel traffic for remarketing, high intent buyers. Traffic acquisition, SEO rank for best product 2025. Best cell phone for 2025 plus uh, iPhone comparisons. Keywords, paid ads, search ads, target buyer intent keyword, costly but fast. That's for paid ads. Social media and YouTube, product A versus product B, reviews feeding traffic to your site. Email marketing, build a list from visitors to remarket offers. Scale up, automate content, creation, outsourcing, AI assisted research, and more product categories in the niche. Expand the other to other countries' languages. Partner with companies for exclusive higher commission. The quick 10,000K a day example. Credit card comparison site is a niche we're in. Payout per sign up $250. 50 sign ups daily would be $12,500 a day. Traffic plan, rank for best cashback card 2025 SEO. Run PPC ad targeting, apply for credit card. High CPC, but high ROI, return on your investment. Build email lists for free credit score tips. Promote cards later. If you if you like this information, don't feel afraid to reach out to me or try it all. I mean, put everything I just put in there. Just try it and see how it goes out for you. So here I would love to ask you one thing, and that is, if you got any value out of this, please hit that like button and smash the bell and follow. I appreciate you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.